Hello everyone, this is a trade that I took in SYNGENE today. So the stock opened with a huge gap down, probably a reaction to the results. So I used our strategy that we have been discussing on this channel of the Fibonacci retracements. Right, so I was expecting a retracement up to 758. Right, so this is the first 5-minute bar. So I couldn't obviously capture this move. Now what happened at 0.5 50% retracement? It made a dark cloud cover followed by a confirmation. So I entered short here, and my stop loss I kept at 5 rupees, and my target was 1.236, which is at 727. So as you can see, the market just followed that. There is not even one candle which closed in the green till I exited my position. So a fantastic trades like this are like dream trades and will make us a huge amount of money, so in a very short time. So this is another example of how to use candlesticks and Fibonacci to enter candlesticks to identify the opportunity, and Fibonacci to fine-tune your entry and your exits. So it might still go down, but I have exited my position completely. So thank you very much. Hope this was useful. Bye bye.
Fight it, I had hoped you'd see my face, and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Roll up a hole, will you sing it for me?